Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to study First Flight Books, lesson number 6. The name of the chapter is The 100 Dresses, part 2. I begin with the introduction. In continuation of the previous lesson, which had been taught on Monday, on Thursday, The 100 Dresses 2 reveals that why Vanda Petronsky had not been coming to school after winning the contest of 100 dresses, which had been, it is in the connection with the last chapter, that two girls, Peggy and Maddie, used to tease Vanda for the 100 dresses because she used to wear only one dress, faded blue dress. But Maddie was very poor, who was dependent on Peggy to give her dresses. But she didn't want to be get bullied by others because she could be the next target for others to bully her. But here in the continuation of this previous lesson now, it is revealed that why Vanda Petronsky had not been coming to school. The Petronsky's family decided to move to a big city where no one would care about their unfamiliar name. On hearing the note, Maddie and Peggy got anxious as they realized that they would never get a chance for making amends. Amends means changes for all the teasing they had done. They were worried about it. They thought that Vanda is not coming to school because they teased, and due to that teasing, Vanda stopped coming to school. She might have complained to the principal or the authorities. So they were also worried about it. Both the girls get relieved only on learning that Vanda liked them and had dedicated one of the 100 dresses, one of the drawings of 100 dresses to each one of them. When they came to know that Vanda liked these two girls, then they relaxed. They felt very relaxed and they get relieved. Now I just come to the summary of this chapter now. So this is summary. The lesson begins with all the students of room number 13, where all the students including Vanda, Maddie, Peggy, and all those boys, naughty boys, backbenchers used to sit. So, having a look at the wonderful drawings of Vanda Petronsky, only then a note is received by Miss Mason, who is the teacher, from Vanda's father, informing that none of his two children will attend the school as they are moving to a city, big city, where no one would judge them for their names. Now they came to know about it that they felt bad about their names. They were bullied about their long names. So Miss Mason was left shocked and conveyed her disappointment. So with that letter, Maddie was affected by this letter of Vanda's father. She instantly developed an urge to apologize to Vanda. She told her teacher that I want to beg from Vanda. Peggy and Maddie, the two best friends, rushed to Boggin sites, hoping that the family hadn't moved yet. But to their dismay, there was no sign of life in and around the house. Maddie lost her sleep, thinking what a coward she is, who couldn't stand against the wrong. So here I tell you that it should be was. I'll change it in the document that it should be was instead of is. So it is a statement of past, so was should come here. So next one is that that day she decided that she'll never let anyone tease someone like that again. That weekend, Peggy and Maddie decided to write a letter to Vanda that was originally meant to be apologetic, but they ended up writing a friendly note asking her, I'm reading here, just see, asking her how did she like the new place. Weeks passed by and there was no reply until one day near Christmas, Miss Mason announced, announced, it should be announced, that she heard from Vanda. In that letter, Vanda wrote she misses everyone and conveyed her intention of here should be missed, she missed. If I talk about this, it should be missed. So missed everyone and conveyed her intention of gifting one dress each to Maddie and Peggy because she has a whole new lot of 100 dresses lined up in her new house. Both of them were happy to receive it and later realized that it was their faces she had drawn along with the dresses. Thus, they both concluded that Vanda did like them. So, this is the summary in brief. I come to the question answers now. The first question is, what did Mr. Petronsky's letter say? The letter began with a salutation to Miss Mason. Vanda's father conveyed his intention of not sending both of his children, Vanda and Jake, to school anymore. Jake was her brother, to school anymore. He mentioned that they were now shifting to another city, a big one, where no one would care enough about their strange name. A big city with a lot of people having weird names. So this was one of the troubling point where Vanda told her father that what she felt in the school. That's why they had to shift to another school. So question number 2 says, is Miss Mason angry with the class or is she unhappy and upset? Miss Mason is amazed after reading the letter. She is upset about the fact that her students have treated someone badly because they came from a different place and had an unusual name. Even though she was unhappy, she gave the children benefit of doubt that whatever happened must have happened in thoughtlessness. So this is the answer of question number 2. And 3 is, how does Maddie feel after listening to the note from Vanda's father? Answer is that Maddie gets sad and feels extremely bad after listening to the note from Vanda's father. She felt like a coward or not standing up against other girls who were teasing Vanda. All she could think about is how they made Vanda feel and hoped for a chance to make amends. Chance to make amends means chance to make changes. What does Maddie want to do? Maddie, who is sad, wanted to make everything right with Vanda. She hoped for one last chance to make amends. Amends means changes, forgiveness, and tell her how sorry she was. So this is the answer of 4-1. 5th one is that what excuses does Peggy think up for her behavior and why? In order to free herself of the guilt, Peggy exclaims that she is thankful that she never made fun of her because she was a Polish immigrant and had an unfamiliar name. She only asked her about the number of dresses she had. Peggy said that Vanda should not have lied that she had 100 dresses and 60 pair of shoes. So Peggy did not bully or teased Vanda about her shoes, about her name, but just she used to ask, how come it's possible that Vanda had 100 dresses? Just that. And other things she did not ask. So she was happy about it. And she did not make fun of Vanda too much. So this is the answer number 5. 6 is, what are Maddie's thoughts as they go to Boggin sites? Maddie could only think about making amends. Amends means forgiving part. saying sorry with Vanda. She hoped the Petronskis means family of Petronsky, hadn't left the town. All she could think of was a chance to meet her and stop her from moving. She wanted to tell her that everyone at the school admired her and her drawings also. In seventh, why does Vanda's house remind Maddie of Vanda's blue dress? Vanda's house was reminded Mandy. Vanda's house reminded Maddie Vanda's blue dress. So when she looked at the house, she thought of the blue dress of Vanda. So answer is Vanda's house was a little one up on the hill. There were dry grasses all around it, but no sign of life could be seen near it. The surroundings looked shabby but clean. This reminded Maddie of Vanda's faded blue dress, which looked clean but shabby, as if it was never ironed. Eighth question, what does Maddie think hard about? What important decision does she come to? When they learned that the Petronskis have finally moved away, Maddie couldn't stop thinking about never being able to say sorry. She couldn't sleep that night as she was thinking too deeply. As a result of deep thinking, she came to a conclusion that she would, here it should be would, she would never let anyone tease someone because they have an unfamiliar and long name. So please make changes. It should be would, and here it should be had. Remember that, would. And here had. So these changes should be made. Remember that, okay? Next. In question number 9, what did the girls write to Vanda? Peggy and Maddie decided to write an apology letter to Vanda, but somehow they ended up writing a friendly note telling her that she won the contest, asking her how is she liking the new place and that they missed her a lot. And here please make a change, that is should be made into was. Please change into was. Fine. Come to 10th. Did they get a reply? Who was more anxious for a reply, Peggy or Maddie? How do you know? No, they didn't get a reply, but the letter didn't come back also. So they concluded that she must have received it, but was too furious to have replied to it. Out of the two girls, Maddie was more curious for a reply. She desperately wanted to make everything right with Vanda. Desperately means she was anxious, more anxious. This is evident as weeks after sending the letter, Peggy almost forgot about the business, while Maddie used to make scenarios in her head where she could defend Vanda from the mean girls. Now 11th question, where how did the girls know that Vanda liked them even though they had teased her? During Christmas time, Miss Mason received a note from Vanda saying how much she missed everyone. She asked the teacher to give the drawing of blue dress to Maddie and the one with the green dress to Peggy. This implied that Vanda liked them even after they teased her. 12th, why do you think Vanda's family moved to a different city? Do you think life there was going to be different for their family? Answer is Vanda's family moved to a different city because in a big city there were many Polish immigrants. So the natives would not find them strange and would not make fun of them. Vanda and her brother Jake could attend school without feeling bad. Yes, life in the big city would be different from for the family because there would be more people of their community over there. They would feel comfortable there. 13th, Mary thought her silence was as bad as Peggy's teasing. Was she right? Maddie thought her silence was as bad as Peggy's teasing. Was she right? Means Maddie used to keep silence. No, no, no. Maddie thought that silence of Vanda was bad in comparison to teasing of Peggy. So she compared the silence of Vanda and the teasing of Peggy, both. So, of course, yes, Maddie was right when she realized that Vanda's remaining silent while Peggy teased Vanda was a mistake. Neither Vanda should remain silent nor Peggy should tease her. Both were wrong. She too was part of it because she remained silent and let Peggy tease Vanda. So she had a guilt. In 14th, Peggy says, I never thought she had the sense to know we were making fun of her anyway. I thought she was too dumb. And gee, look how she can draw. What led Peggy to believe that Vanda was dumb? Did she change her opinion later? As Vanda remained silent when Peggy teased her, Peggy thought that she was too dumb to realize that she was being mocked at. When she saw the beautiful drawings made by Vanda, she changed her mind and realized that Vanda was a teenage girl, talented girl. 15th is that what important decision did Maddie make? What did she have to think hard to do so? Answer is when they learned that the Petronskis had finally moved away, Maddie couldn't stop thinking about never being able to say sorry. She couldn't sleep that night as she was thinking too deeply. As a result of deep thinking, she came to a conclusion that she will never let anyone tease someone because they have an unfamiliar and long name. She decided to stand against all the wrongs. Okay, 16 is why do you think Vanda gave Maddie and Peggy the drawings of the dresses? Why are they surprised? Vanda gave the drawings of dresses to Maddie and Peggy because she had drawn their faces on them. The girls are surprised when they discovered that the faces on the drawings were theirs. I'll just tell you, discovered and theirs. There are certain mistakes in this document. You can make changes. I will send you a different document this time, a different type of document, which is Word file, where editing can be done. So make these changes. So they also realized here also. Realized, put D here. That Vanda liked them, although they made fun of her. Alright, last one is do you think Vanda really thought the girls were teasing her? Why or why not? Yes, Vanda thought that girls were teasing her. The note from her father indicated that the students made fun of her name. So, dear children, these are the explanation of all the things. So, please complete the copies. Let's begin. Coming to school, I believe that there are some notifications which are being released from the Government of India Education Department that we are going to meet very soon around 21st of September. So there you can clear your doubts. Hope to begin the classes as usual. So I wish you best of luck. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.